All right, we're gonna start going to work on this. I will not be seeing your comments and things. I just want to make sure you've got the box in there. You do. I need to grab 2,000 cubes. These really don't have to be matched right now, but I'm gonna match them. I'm gonna see what they test out at anyway, only because of I want to pre-test every part I put in, so I make sure that they work. Oh. Zero. All the Christmas stuff is put away. Christmas trees down here. I'm gonna put in a cubby hole yet. That's all done. We're at 980. All right, close enough. This one here is 991. Okay. Since I have to use these parts, I have to charge for them. This. Wow. I got a lot of shit on there. I had my little snippies. Where the hell did I put them? They're in here somewhere. There it is. I'll get it later. There's a lot of stuff over there I gotta fix anyway. This is not my doing. You know what? I'll just take this off and put another one on. I don't know if that's any good or not. Okay. That's the coax. This is going to go on to here. Partial wrap, not a full wrap. There we go. Yeah, input's fine. Output's a little gnarled up. I'm going to replace it anyway. I know there's things in here that are popped and burnt and stuff, but you know, it is what it is. Let's see here. There. And there. These are the ones you want to use. Not the blue ones or all these other ones. The candy coated looking ones is the ones you want to use. But like I said, this will all be redone in 2-pill stages, so I'm really not that worried about it. There. There, that's fine. There. That can get it. Are these my snippies? These are my snippies. These are the ones I've been looking for. Okay. That's the one here I've been looking for. That's another solder ball. Out. That's dust. They did the bypass tuning on it. That's really close. All right, that's what it is. Okay, let's do output resistor. Redo that because that's not what you put in a box. So these 5 waters, you don't want these in a box ever. Not for any reason at all, ever. You don't need them. Period. So when you fry a 5-watt resistor, that's pretty bad. All right. All right, 10 ohms got to go in there. When I flip this box around, we'll get that figured out. Oh, and putting little wires in between positive and not positive and positive and positive and positive. There's really no need for that. That was mainly for this over here. I'm going to take this over here and put it over there, and then I'm gonna fix these a different way, or I might redo the B positive. I don't know. We'll see. First, we gotta try to get this box working first, or at least to see if it'll keep for a second and then pop pills. It's not like I'm popping anything that hasn't been popped before. It's just that I'm gonna be Jesus. Two pill stage should have been left in here. If there's more than one pop pill in here, I'm going to suggest you buy another box. That's going to be my suggestion. Because these pill holes will not fit an HG pill, I don't think. No, they will not. I'd have to take the board off the heat sink. Basically take everything off the board, dismount it from the heat sink, fix all the pill holes. It's not worth it. For labor and time, it's not worth it. This is a Toshiba box. It stays a Toshiba box. If he wants to sell it for parts, he can sell it for parts. But it would be cheaper. I've got a 2 driving 8 Dave made sitting up there for $1,000. If he wants it, he can have it. And that's Toshiba box. And no, I'm not going to take pills out of that and put it in here. No, I will not. And that's the positive rail. Okay. All right. Now let's work on this side. Make sure you guys can see what's going on. And you can. All right, cool. No, I gotta get this off of here yet. There. And I gotta get this stupid strap off of this. There. Yeah, we'll just put ground strap. Yeah, no. No, no, no. No, 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 no. These two have been replaced. We'll just leave them there. Wow. This one was put in so bad. It looks like it crossed over. I don't know what happened. It's all right. There. I'm gonna grab some 10 ohms, put them all back in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That one's okay. That one's okay. It looks okay. Push the LED back in the holder there so it sticks out. Oh yeah, the switch, I gotta redo the switch on it. That's broke. Probably due to shipping. It happens. What the hell did you do on the input? A 120 and a 150. The inputs aren't even right on these. That would explain a lot. That's a 330. That's a 330. So either these two are original or those two are original. I'm gonna have to say these two are original and these two are not. And these negative feedbacks are all chooched. They're all gummed up and discolored, and yeah, he had some issues with this box. The pills look like they're all brand new. Like they're all the original 1Ks. Someone put a black mark on all of them, but then it looks like no one went and finished the job. So I'm going to put here on the input what's supposed to be on the input, like I did on the output. Correct. Where are they? I know I have them. Here they are. Usually lose 270. If I never use 270, I have to charge them for that one either. These on the front are supposed to be 270s, not what he's got in here. Either you have the parts properly to fix the box or you don't. It's not a guesswork system. I mean, $150. 60, 70. Yeah, they equal out to be 270. But, alright, we'll leave them. You don't want to be doing that. 120, 150, 150, 60, 70. Maybe a 270. Yeah, well, he didn't have the right parts. So he put two caps on each side. All right, well, I need another. You don't do it that way. That's not the right way to do it at all. This I'm going to put back here. Man, that combiner is completely shot too, but will it work? Yeah, it'll work. It don't look big enough to have an output resistor there. Yeah, well, that's the one that goes in. So here it is. There. There. All right. Alright, output resistor's been replaced. So if one of the pills pop, that will fry too. Don't like this, but it is what it is. Okay. Making sure those are okay. Alright, we'll grab some 10 ohms. You can use half-watt resistors. I just like the quarter-watt ones better. You know what? I'll do it this way instead. Get this out of there. And we'll resolder it to the board. There. Good thing I did that. This I know from unfortunate experience. I made some stupid mistakes when I was in New Jersey. Really stupid, really humiliating mistakes. But that's okay. That's how everybody learns. Stuff I should have known better and I thought I knew better. The key was I thought I knew better. So I got straightened out. Okay, now. There, that's one. Yeah. this box and pound on it for a little bit, get all that shit off of there. Yeah. 2 more, 3 more. There. 1, 2, 3. Instead of taking the time and just pulling all the pills and checking them, and no, we'll try to get this one working first. See what it does. Maybe there's no pills popped. I don't know. That could be just a bad assumption. But from the tattletales I've already seen, there's at least 1 pop pill in here. Alright, that turned out nice. Alright, that turned out good. That turned out nice. Now we'll come over here and fix this one. I really don't need it, but I'll fix it anyway. Try it too. There. There, at least move it over. There. There. Okay. That's connected to there. That's connected to there. Wait a minute. Okay. There. Coax is connected, coax is connected, coax is connected, coax is connected. Input balancing resistor, input balancing resistor. Or splitter, whatever you want to call it. Okay. Good Lord. I know how he did these. He did these up here on top like this. You know what? Just to will it work? Yeah. Is it the way I would suggest to do it? No. But just to see if it'll work? Yeah. No, I don't recommend doing this. I'm doing it just because I'm doing a test to see if the box is going to work. Only reason why I'm doing this. You know what? That one's fried. Can't use that one. Can't use this one either. It's fried too. Ouch. Hot. See how wonderful they are? Yeah. No. See how wonderful that one is? Yeah. No. This one here is a whole lot better. That's better. All right, that's connected to there, that's connected to there, that's connected. That was connected to there. I'll fix that one. There. Those are kind of messed up, but they're not as bad as the other two I pulled out, so. Alright. I'm going to put a little bit more solder in here because it looks like there is none. Okay, now I know why there was a ground strap going across that. There's no board up underneath. God damn it. All right, gotta put it back. Yeah, I definitely recommend buying another box. There is no fixing for this except for doing this bad trick. There. Now those two pills have ground. Man. There's no... It's like somebody tried to pill the... These pills have been replaced. I guarantee you, these are not the original pills. This has got lots of issues in it. But we're going to see how many issues we really have. Yeah, he can sell this for a parts box if he wants to. Two more 100 ohm resistors. 1, 2, yep, 2 more 100 ohm resistors. That's how I do them anyway. One, two, right next to it. All right. see how these work. All the original pill screws are in here. I know that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we got all those in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 more point ones over there. Which I will reuse these. These are 75 volt freaking point ones. That's insane. But alright, whatever. 50 volters are perfectly fine. Yeah, because of that problem right down there. This box is done. I mean, to be beaten on it for skip or even voting it for competition, not a prayer. I wouldn't suggest it. Alright, cool. That's done. When you start having grounding issues because there's no more copper at the bottom of the part of the box there where you're having problems. What in the hell? There's something down there that I don't like. It's another... someone tried to fix the box. That's another piece down there that someone tried to fix. Damn it. There's no... Holy shit. Alright, I'll put this back for now. Oh my god. Not just one side, both sides. It's not like replacing pill strips and it's fine. That's possible. That's no problem. I've done that before. But when the actual board itself has no more copper up underneath it and you can't really ground it very much because of it, yeah, that's issues. I just want to make damn sure it's grounded. And that'll make damn sure it's grounded. It's a cheat trick, yes. It's not the right way to do it, no. But I want to make sure that the pills are grounded. All right. Poof. No, the box is not going to work miraculously because I did that. I'm going to get all the garbage out of it, and I did. And a lot of stuff came out. Yay. Okay, now it's time to replace the switch. At least he'll know how many good pills he has left. Well, the entire... Here, I'll even save the white tip thing. Okay, what do we got here? We got this going to ground, we got that going to the bottom, we got the blue coming from where? Oh, that's to the LED. That can be seriously shortened. Tim Tur. All over the box. Would not be something I'd be doing if I would be doing that kind of work. But anyway. Okay. Yeah, this box has issues all over it. There and there. Not just one, two spots. No, to have a. Let's see what happens when we hook it up and run it. I'm just going over everything right now, making sure that. Okay, I gotta grab another switch. I hope I have another switch. Yes, I do have another switch. Thank God. I need to order more switches. switch. Bottom of the switch. There. Press switch. No. Okay. Unlock this switch first. Now, no. Nope, nope, nope. There, that's better. Cleaner, more efficient. There. Good. Now, get your positive with this. There. Good. And this goes to the top of the switch too. Let's see, let's refigure this. Awful big wire to be going to a switch though. Just saying. Damn it. This is why I don't like doing this. All right. This goes to the relay. This has to go there. The light, that don't have to function right now. At this point, I don't want to melt the freaking switch. There. No melted switch. Goody. Lots of dust. All right. Now that I'm thinking about it, I think it's the opposite direction. Let me look at something here. Oh, I got it. Yeah, relay goes to the bottom. Positive LED goes to the bottom. Everything goes to the bottom. So if you're positive, positive goes to the middle. All right, let's see what happens. problem with these kind of connectors though, I don't have anything to hook up to these kind of connectors. Oh, let me see. And the ground lug for this would have been nice. I can always put this in here and use this for ground. I did this for the 24 pill. 3/0. Little heavy duty for this application, but it'll work. Two gauge will work fine. Something positive. I just don't know what exactly yet. That would work, yes. Don't like doing that though. That might work. Yep, that'll work. We're not doing anything with the cover right now anyway. So. In fact, what we'll do with the cover right now is we just need it to see if it'll work. There. That's better. If you run your box in a dusty environment, please, from time to time, take some canned air and blow it out really good. Looks like he used 2 wires. Oh, one for up here and one to go on that way. All right, I see what he did. Okay. And that's a positive extension coming over to here. Okay. That's too big. But we got the negative done, that's good. Radio antenna. That's radio jumper. Alright. So we're going to run this 8 pill into the input of the 16 pill. Is it going to hurt anything? No. Okay, those are done. And this is going to input of 16 and then right out to the FSJ4 jumper to the meters and then out to the antenna, which is fine. Oh wait, I need to run a driver into this. Okay, no problem. This is a 22879C box that I built for somebody else. He just hasn't come pick it up yet, so. Wait, yeah, this here goes from out of here, into the radio, out of here, that way. Yeah. One more jumper. For the 217U. I'm sorry, 213, which is fine. Out of here, into there, out of here, into there. More jumpers than I originally intended, but it's okay. It'll be fine. I need to figure out how I'm gonna hook up positive to this thing. I'll figure something out. I'm trying to figure something out now. Now, let us take positive. I do have one of these connectors, but I was not planning on using it for, these are expensive suckers. These might not be LC40s, they might be, these are LC40s, right? Let's see what this say here. Yeah, this is not fitting in here. Oh yeah, it is. It's just a tight fit. That would work. Okay. It's just a tight fit. All right. I've got extra 3-aught power cable. Not a ton though, but some. One end can go on here for this. The other end cut. Put a copper connector on it. That'll work. That's a 3/8, right? Close enough. All right. I think we'll put the 3/8 copper connector on it first. Unless this is, no, that's it. All right. Now where is. Okay. Now I gotta find my propane torch. Got that. Solder. Got that. Which I gotta order more anyway. Where are we at here for comments and stuff? Oh, I've been doing this for over an hour. Michael Schwartz back at it. Yep. Hi, Mike. Hello, Parker Johnson. What's my building? I'm fixing I'm trying to get working the 8-pill over there. I want to see what's wrong with it first before, I say this is what it needs, this is what it don't. So whoever fixed it last didn't finish fixing it. So I fixed a few things, put some things back that weren't put back. I know it looks like an absolute mess. This is not my work. This is somebody else's. Put the proper 2-watt 100 ohm resistor back here instead of a 5-watt. Put some new negative feedback up there. Put all new 10 ohms in, except for 2, they were fine. So I'm going to drive it with a 22879C box. Now I'm in the process of getting a connection positive onto here for this connector, so I can connect it, not there, here, my bad, red's positive, and it says positive, so I can connect it here, so then when I turn on the power supply, well, after I turn on the breaker over there at the breaker, I can power on both of these boxes, this, drive it into that, and see what we do for power output, or see what kind of smoke comes out of the box. I'm going to be looking at how much smoke comes out of the box. I'm not worried about how much power we're going to get out of it. So that's what I'm working on. And since we've been doing this for an hour and 20 minutes, I'm going to take a small little break. I got to get gas for my car for tomorrow for work. And after I get that done, I'll come back. I'll get this done, get it connected, turn this on, get it ready to go. But I will not key this, I promise you, until I'm back on live. So give me a little bit, take a break. What time is it? 5:40 here in Illinois. Go grab some dinner or something. And we'll be back. We're going to get this thing figured out one way or the other, if it's going to work or not, today. That's guaranteed. All right. Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button. More's coming. Lots more is coming. Because I still got to test the 24 pill and the 3-pill driver that's on its way. I have a 3-pill driver right there. But the 3-pill driver that's on its way is for him. So that goes to a 24 pill. That is back over there on the floor. Wait a minute. Duh, I just got an idea. Hang on, wait a minute. Yep. I can do it this way. I already got one made up. I don't have to make another one. Yay! Hang on a second. I am so happy. It's a half inch, but that's okay. I'll make it work. I don't have to destroy another one. Yay! I didn't even think about looking at that. No. There. There. And here. All right. So we use one of the positive ends from the quick disconnect from the 24 pill he bought to power his 8 pill. That's done. Now we just got to connect. There. That's connected. Right? Yeah, that's connected. All right, good. In fact, I will even do a continuity check to make sure it's good. Sorry, you're still... What are you looking at? You've been looking at something else. Okay. So, hang on. Just want to make sure this is going to work right. Connected. Connected. Positive inside, we're good. Negative, board, here, good, good, good. All right. Alright, we are connected for positive and negative. Just confirmed it with the meter. Alright, now push it back in the stand and I'll flip you around so we can watch together how much smoke happens. Actually, no. This way. Alright. Whoops, wrong way. That way. Alright. Now, I'm gonna go grab, well, I didn't need torch or that or this. Yay! I figured out a different way. Happy! Alright, didn't have to do that. Happy, happy, joy, joy. And this is the ground cable for this 24 pill. That was done before everything got started. I asked him, "You need a ground cable for your 24 pill?" He's like, "Yeah." I'm like, "Okay." So, all right, cool. I can put this back in the box. No, actually, this goes back in here. I don't have to do anything with these. These were going to be for my Suburban. I wanted to keep them for the Suburban. All right, cool. Now, power supply on. Radio on. Hello, test. Hello. So that's just the radio. Hello. 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 Got a little bit of reflect in here. That's like because of all the dumpers and shit. Hello, test. Hello. I want to see something real quick. And yeah, we're on channel 6 too. Let's see what we're doing for dead key. Hello. Not a whole lot, but that's okay. Turn on the power supply. Yeah. All right. I'll just leave the volume off on the radio. Power supply on. Driver on. Hello. Something's wrong. Hello. Yeah, something's wrong. This box by itself don't have those problems. All right. I got to check the bypass tuning of a few things. Give me a minute. Yeah. Hang on a minute. know is good, but I'm gonna double check it anyway. You don't need to know the kind of equipment I have to check this, so. .2. All right, there's a small issue there. All right. Not where I want it to be. All right. Fix it real quick. Let's try a 15 or a 12. Come on. Everything today is going to be difficult for me, isn't it? There. Here. That takes it down to 1.015. That's perfect. So that was some problem I fixed. 1.02. Even better. Still, that's a whole lot better than what it was. Goody goody. All right, that problem's fixed. Nobody's perfect. .02. All right, perfect. Now. Now let's check different reflect. Hello. Audio. Interesting. Still don't like it. Hello. Audio. Oh, that's output. That's why. Hello. Audio. Hello. Audio. Still don't like it. I wonder if my antenna got whacked in the windstorm. All right, let's check the bypass tuning of the 8 pill. Let's see how good we did with that, and how good they got done with this. Oh, there's the problem. 2.2 for a bypass. Three point oh. For a bypass. So something's wrong here in the box. All right, something's wrong with the 8 clip. I gotta find out what it is. Bypass tuning on the 8 pill is whacked. Hello, Jeremy. Right back. So bypass tuning on this is you know what I think? The more I look at it, it's the connectors. So I'm gonna grab, these are bad connectors. 2 new connectors, which I have 2 new of them here. And I'm going to put them on the box on the 8 pill. And I bet you the 3-to-1 SWR problem goes away. Okay. Yeah. Oh, you know what? The output one isn't grounded directly to, hang on. In shipping, it moved and became, it really shouldn't matter, grounded or ungrounded. These connectors should be grounded, period. All right, that's grounded. Is it going to make a difference? I damn near guarantee not. Maybe a tiny bit of the difference. But from the way these connectors are all corroded and everything, I don't think so. We'll look. See if that made a small, tiny difference. I doubt it. But we'll look. Oh, it's 1.1 now. Interesting. All right. So, oh, I see. The other one in the back isn't grounded either because it snapped off. So none of these were grounded to the board. That makes sense. Let's see if we can get that contacted there. No, don't look like it. 1.103. All right, so oh, that's hot. Fuck. All right, that's gonna have to be for now. Double check it one more time. Okay, now it's not even registering. Oh, there it goes. 1.1135. Okay. All right, so we got one of them grounded, so that's better than nothing. Before it wasn't grounded at all. Goofy connectors. All right, now we'll see how these will work. And if the reflect comes down any, should. Hello. Still got reflect just off the radio. That ain't good. Hello. No, we're not doing it that way. All right. We're going to take a break. And I'm going to have to replace these two connectors, redo the bypass tuning on it. I'll start with redoing the connectors on it first. And then, yeah. All right. Almost 2 hours, hour and 40 minutes. That's enough. I'll be back in a little bit. I got to get some stuff done. I'll be back. Thank you. Hit subscribe. Sorry about putting the phone down so much. It's just trying to figure out issues here. I know it's not with this. I mean, 1.15. Okay, that's not bad. Or 1.5. Anyway. This problem got fixed. No more problem in here anymore. Now the problem over here. So the I'll zoom in on it and show you if I can. Maybe you can't see it, but it's not connected to the solder joint. That one over there broke off the solder joint, and I fixed it real quick. Not the greatest, but it's fixed. But now I'm going to fix it right. I'm going to take those apart, put new ones in, all of that. So, all right, we'll be back. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. All right, thank you. Bye.